প্রোডাক্ট এবং বলার জন্য আমাদের রিজিওনাল গেস্ট আছেন, আমরা পরিচয় করে দেব। তার আগে আমি আমাদের ডেল বাংলাদেশের কান্ট্রি ডিরেক্টর মিস্টার আতিক ভাইকে একটু অনুরোধ করছি আপনাদের সঙ্গে কিছু বলার জন্য। আতিক ভাই,
আপনাদের সাথে আবার দেখা হলো 6 মাস exactly. Product launch is okay. The product launch is the occasion, but we just try to get together with you guys. Last time also I mentioned that try to find some event to get closer to you, our journalist community. So today we are launching few new model in our consumer series. Two 7000 series and two 5000 series, and which are actually light, sleek and robust. Because current trend is consumer requirement is light product, light and thin product. But with that light and thin, it should be such a product that give customer the experience that they want. We have different level of customers. Some wants to watch movies, some wants to do their homework, but common requirement is light and sleek. And today's products are all light and sleek products from our Inspiron series. And overall, actually, this is just a product launching, but overall in consumer product and all our Dell product, we mentioned to you, and we repeatedly mentioned that we want to give you an experience, the customer we want to give an experience. And when we introduce any product and when we sell any product, the first thing that keep in our mind is the customer experience and the customer satisfaction. So these products and all our products that we are launching in Bangladesh and we are selling, keeping that in mind, that customer first, and customer should have a better experience and the best experience that they can have in terms of product quality, in terms of after sales, that experience that should be there. It's not that like that we are going there selling the product and then they will not find us. They will find us. They will find the reseller who is selling the product, from whom they are getting the product. If that reseller is not there, Dell itself is here in Bangladesh to give the support and give support to the customer. So we are fortunate enough to have with us our Vice President for Asia Emerging Market, Mr. K. Anutai. He is also leading the consumer business for
today in our consumer product launch based on the Intel 10th Gen core processors. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, each and every one of you, for the great support to our product and services, and also our activity for the past many years. In fact, last year is remark of the 35 years of we become number one in most of the major category. And as you know, Dell technology, we are not just selling PC, we also having the storage and server, and virtualization and everything, right? And we are number one in all categories, including the commercial PC here in this market as well. So let me talk a little bit about Dell Technologies. And you may know Dell Technology is the one of the largest IT infrastructure company in the world. Last year we have about 91.3 billion US dollar in terms of the revenue. And we were number one in server, storage, PC, especially on the commercial PC and also overall PC that we have. We are growing 26 consecutive quarters, right? So we build this company with the belief that in bringing in the leadership in all the product that I just mentioned, will be greatly benefit to our customer. So we build this, we call it essential infrastructure company, and the customer respond to us as well. So we doing very well. We are growing our business. We continue to gain share, and we continue to invest in our business in the past many years. So in the past 5 years, we invest 20 billion US dollars in research and development. So we have more than 20,000 engineers, scientists, and PhD all of them is working day in day out, to ensure that we have a great product and we have the great innovation for our customer. So till now we have more than 22,000 patents and a patent application. So we are more than ready to drive innovation together with our customer. So according to the industry analysts, we continue to be a leadership in many categories in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant, and that's the